Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can cancel your OpenArt subscription. So please listen carefully to each step and detail that I will be doing and explaining. And this will help you to stop recurring payments and manage your account. So first, you will have to log into your OpenArt, and once you're here, you will go to your avatar, and what you will do is you will click subscription. So go ahead and click this and click subscription and just wait for the website to load. And once you're here, what you will do is you will, if you do have your current subscription, then you will see a button like cancel subscription right here. So go ahead and just click that, and then you will just have to follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Then you will check your email for confirmation that your subscription has ended. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.